everyone, it's Christina, Maggie's sister. I'm here with a Fashionphile Dior unboxing. I guess for the holidays, they've swapped out the little freebies. They've included a calendar with some great luxury item images. Each month seems to be color coordinated with a different set of luxury items. They also included like an eyeglass wipe and for some reason that little pouch. But this is the actual item. It's a Dior ceramic watch. It's the discontinued 8 series. You know, Christian Dior was very superstitious and thought the number 8 was really lucky. That's the little Fashionphile tag. It comes with an outer box with a little drawer at the base that has the booklet, the care booklet, and the authenticity cards. It has a little chip in the card, and it's got the perfect little slot for that book in the base of the outer box. And this is the inner box. And trying to figure out how to open it. There we go. I had it turned. And that is the watch. It is stunning. It is a 38 millimeter, which is a little big for me, I thought. I'm 5'6" and kind of medium build. And in the store, when I tried on the same watch at a different store, it felt a little big, but now that I see it in person in my home and I've looked at myself in a full length mirror with this, I absolutely love it. 38 millimeters is the larger of the two sizes. It also comes in a 34 millimeter. But I'm just showing you the back of this watch because this watch was copied a great deal. Replicas were made, but you can tell the difference on this back with the stamping, the engraved parts, and also the way the screws are inset, not too deep. But I also trust Fashionphile because they have authenticators. There's the Dior mark on the closure, also the stainless steel mark. This is a quartz version. They have an automatic version also. And this also has the bezel with all the diamonds all the way around it. I think it's 0.87 carats. But it looks even bigger, I think, because the bezel face is big and, the surrounding areas around the diamonds is also, you know, that stainless steel part. And I just love the bling factor of this. I'm going to have to get this resized. And the little tag that you're not supposed to take off if you're not going to keep it, if you want to return it, or have that option open, won't allow me to fully close it. But that's how it looks on my wrist. And I am absolutely falling in love with it. These watches do not keep their retail value. This watch originally sold for $10,500, I believe, and I got it for under $2,400. And it's in like new condition with all of the collateral material. And I've seen others, some with some scratches and not in as good condition, but at this like pristine condition, this was the best price I've seen. And I absolutely love it. I jumped on it the minute it went down to 20% off of the original price on Fashionphile. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm so excited about this. Obviously, you know, it's a fashion watch. Dior is not known for their watches like Rolexes, but I absolutely fell in love with this design, and I'm so happy I was able to get it for such a great price. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for watching.